Hello everyone, welcome to part 86 of Laravel 9 series in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we are going to start working on the product detail page. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that while making the product detail page, what things we are going to do in this module in the product detail page for the product detail page. Okay, so I'm going to show you the product detail page first of all. See, check your multi-vendor eshop template that we have downloaded earlier in this series and open this page single-product.html. Okay, so this is the product detail page that we are going to embed in our Laravel e-commerce website, multi-vendor Laravel e-commerce website, Laravel 9 website. Okay, so you can see here zoom is already provided. We are going to embed it dynamically. We are going to show the altered images dynamically as well. See here, you can see the description, everything is coming, all the information, and colors, sizes are coming, though the sizes will come. And for the color we are going to show the images for the colors, and here you can see the description again is coming here. This is your choice if you want to show these kind of details or not. Okay, so description, specification and reviews that we are going to work on later on. Okay, and along with that, we are also showing the similar products as well as the recently viewed items. Okay, so this is the product detail page for you. So we are going to work on this product detail page, and I'm going to show you like how we are going to proceed with the things so that you will come to know in advance like we have done for the vendors module. Okay, so it will always be better if you will plan the things. So what we are going to do, we are going to do the few videos on the product detail page, and starting with the first one we are going to do is the embed the HTML that we are going to do in this video. We are going to embed the HTML. Okay, we are going to embed the HTML, the design of the product detail page in our Laravel e-commerce website. And in the next one, what we are going to do, we are going to work on this zoom feature. We are make it dynamic. Okay, we are going to show the real product name with description. This one we are going to hide because reviews we are going to do later on. And this one, this breadcrumb, we are going to work on this breadcrumb. And the prices, see, we are going to show the price with the cut price, special means discounter price we are going to show. Okay, this one. And other information, product information we are going to show like product code, color, okay, or these kind of things that we are going to do in the next one, in which I'm going to show the product details. Okay, we are going to show the product details in the next video, and along with that we are going to show the images, we are going to show the zoom, we are going to show the breadcrumb. Okay, that we are going to work on this breadcrumb as well. Okay, so these things we are going to do in the next video, and after that what we are going to do, and let's see, we are going to work on these sizes. We are going to show all the sizes in drop down, and according to these sizes we are going to update the prices via ajax. Okay, so this thing we are going to do, show sizes. Okay, this one, two. Okay, and this one also must be look fine. Breadcrumbs. Okay, show prices. We are going to show these sizes. Sizes. Show sizes, and we'll update prices. Okay. Is via ajax. This one we are going to do. Okay, so after that what we are going to show the colors. We are going to show the colors, product colors with group code. Product colors we are going to show, and after that we are going to work on these things as well. Okay, description, specification, see all the filter values we are going to show in specification. We can also show here, it's our choice, we can remove this one if not required, but it will be helpful when we are going to do work on the reviews. Okay, so here we can take benefit of this one, these tabs. Okay, so some of the information we can show here. we can show the description once again, and here the images are not required. We can remove these images because it's already there. Other than that, we are going to show the filter values here, filter columns here, okay, and the reviews will become here. Okay, so that thing, description and specification, okay, these kind of filter values dynamically we are going to show the filter values like we have done for the listing page, some specific product is having some kind of filters. So these specifications, we can say the specifications we are going to show, it will also carry the filters values, okay, that we are going to work on this one. Okay, so after that, finally we are going to work on the add to cart functionality. Okay, add to cart functionality that we will work on. Okay, so see, reviews we are going to do later on. Okay, add to cart functionality, finally we are going to work on the add to cart. Okay, so these 5-6 videos we are going to do in the upcoming series. Okay, so let's first of all, I'm going to show you in the last 5 videos that the that vendors module we have done with that vendor module. Vendor able to register, vendor able to confirm his account, vendor see admin approve his account, then the vendor can able to update his details like I have shown, personal, business and bank details. After that, vendor can able to add the product like we have done. Okay, so see, in the last video, vendor can able to add the product, this product, and that product we can able to show here at the front end. So there is one issue that we need to resolve. First of all, this product has been added by vendor, you can see this product, and but if I am going to click on this one, then there is some issue comes because we have not used that is set value like we have updated in the last video. You remember that we have updated update vendor details page, update vendor detail, we have added the is set. If any of the value the vendor does not entered, then we need to make it correct. Okay, so see, this one update vendor details is already corrected, and now we need to correct the view vendor details as well in the same way. Okay, so this one we need to correct first of all, and then we will move further with the product detail page. Okay, so it will not take much time. Now we have corrected that update vendor detail page. So reason for correcting is the sum of the values does not exist at all, so it Laravel gives error, so we need to add the is set. So for that, see, it will tell that which line, 87th line. Okay, we will straight away go to the 87th line and we'll check. Okay, it's the shop name, we need to add the condition for the shop name. Okay, so I'm going to search here. So here it is, shop name, this if condition. I'm going to copy this if condition and we'll put it here. Okay, in place of value, then it must be gone away. Let's check. See, the another one, it will come to the another one. We are going to check. Now it is showing for the vendor address. Okay, so like this we need to update for all. I will just copy this one, vendor shop address, and we'll update it here like this. I'm going to update other one as well. See, we will not keep any issues for our e-commerce website. We need to resolve all the issues. If we will find any issue, then straight away resolve it. So here it is. We need to update all this carefully. Here it is, shop website. We need to find where it is. Uh, so we need to update it. Okay. Okay. So for shop email as well, we can simply copy this one. Shop email. Okay. Then business license number. Copy from here. Just we are adding the is set condition. If in case the value does not exist, the variable does not exist, then it will not give any error. It must not give any error. You can see address proof. uh, it will go in the same way like this one. But see, we can do it like this as well, because we need to make sure that nothing is incorrect. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we can check once again and we'll see. Okay, so there is another error here. So we need to check where the error exactly. If particular here we have not closed and if, so we have to now check. Okay, so now it is showing type null somewhere else. So I think there may be error. We need to correct this one as well, because this is the display only. So we just require to make it shop country here. Okay, so we're going to check shop address, shop city, shop state, shop country, shop pin code, shop mobile, shop website, shop email, business license number. Let's try. Okay, so it is showing the error somewhere else now. Unexpected end of file. So it means that we forgot to end somewhere. Yeah, and if so, make sure that you will not make such kind of issues. Okay, so now once again another error. We will correct this one as well. After that we are going to check. Account holder name, bank name, account number, and finally bank IFC code. See, sometime I miss and if, so that's why the error comes. And if, so do it very carefully, otherwise lot of time can be wasted. Still error is coming, so the way to resolve it is we can remove it like this, so that to know that where is the error exactly. See, still it is coming, so I'm going to remove the bank information as well. Let's see where the error is coming. Now it is fine, so maybe in the bank information we are going to check. I'm going to remove the bank information now. Let's see, or maybe some and if condition. See, there is no error is not coming, so it means in the bank information maybe the error is coming. Okay, and if I do it like this, now refresh, now see the error is coming here. Okay, so what I can do, I can remove these three like this, so that will come to know the first one we have not done, so we are going to update the first one as well, that is account holder name. Okay, it's already here, so I'm going to copy this one. See, account holder name. Okay, let's see, now it is fine. Okay, but you can see it is showing the empty fields. See, data is not filled, so that's why it is showing the empty field. Okay, when you are clicking on view part, when the okay, so once we click on the view vendor details, okay, it is showing like this. For admin it is okay, but vendor can able to update his details as well. So but vendor can able to update from here, so that is the view only. So what we can do, we can just simply show the data that the vendor fills, or it's your choice. If you want to show it like this with the empty fields, then it's your choice. Okay, but the vendor can able to update these information from these one: personal details, business details, and bank details. Okay, so we can simply show the data that the vendor fills, otherwise we will not show. Okay, it's your choice. If you want to do it like this, like he not filled this shop name, so we can remove the shop name straight away. This if condition we will put at the top of the div. Okay, so this div complete will become inside this if condition, then it will not show it at all, like this one. And if, so you can see here it will not show shop name at all. Okay, so we can also show it like this. Okay, so now it is fine. We can see the vendor can able to see his own details by clicking on here, and vendor can able to see his details. Otherwise we can also remove this column for the vendor. Okay, we can simply remove this column from the vendor. Okay, we can simply show it for the admins. Okay, because the admin can able to see vendor added by the vendor, so it is not required when the vendor logged in. Okay, okay, so now we are going to merge this product detail page. Okay, so we are going to start working on this one now. There is no issue, we can move further with the product detail page. Like I have shown you that first of all we are going to embed the HTML of the product detail page. So this is the single product file that we can embed for our product detail page. Okay, so let's straight away start. I'm going to close these files, and first thing is that we are going to create the route for the product detail page. Okay, so I'm going to open the web.php file, and here we are going to create the route for the product detail page. Okay, so here after listing I can add after listing. Okay, here I can add product detail page. Okay, so route I'm going to add here product ID, products controller, detail. Okay, so now we are going to create this function, detail function, in the products controller located at the front, not in admin. Okay, so the function we are going to create, we are going to enclose this one, this listing function. After that we are going to create the detail function, public function detail. So its blade file we are going to create under front products folder and then detail. Okay, so we are going to create its detail blade file like we have done the listing blade file. Okay, so here we are going to, this is our folder ecom9, resources, views, front, products. In products you can see listing.blade.php file, and one more file we are going to create. In Mac we can create the file like this, touch command in Mac, touch detail.blade.php. okay, so in Windows you know that you can go inside the folder and create new file. Okay, make this file detail.blade.php, detail.blade.php. We can get the front design from the listing blade file. Okay, this one, simply we can add it here and section, and now the inner part we can copy from the from that file that we have already opened, this one, single-product.html, that is the detail page from our template. We can merge it. Okay, we can check which part we need to merge. Okay, so we can do it like this so that it will clear us that which part we are required to merge. See here, we are required to merge this part starting from the page introduction wrapper to the single product width page. Okay, I will copy this one and will paste it here inside it. Okay, so I'm going to close it like this, and now I'm going to make it like this. Okay, so let's see. One more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open the listing.blade.php file here. I'm going to give the links like this ajax products listing. I'm going to open the ajax products listing here. I'm going to give the detail page link here. Okay, in place of single product.html I'm going to give the detail page link that we have just created. Okay, and I'm going to use here URL, and inside URL I'm going to give first product, then slash, then product ID. So $product, here we have ID in product ID like this. Okay, so this one I'm going to give it like this. So let's try to open the listing page here. We can open the t-shirt listing, and here click on this one, and you can see the product detail page is now opening. Okay, this is the URL that we have defined. So we will create the paths there. We will open the product detail, this one that we have just created, and we will modify the path. Okay, so we can check images here. Wherever there is image, we can just copy this image everywhere in the complete page, and we can just add it a set, and after that we will add all the images are under front images. Okay, so we are going to add the front, then slash images. Okay, so here we are going to add the front, then slash images, and now .jpg, we will select all .jpg as well, and at last we will close it like this. So let's try, refresh the page once again, and we are going to see yeah, now it is fine. Now the page is working fine, you can see. Okay, complete page is working fine, you can able to see. So we are going to modify this page dynamically. in the next video. We are going to update product name, images, prices, description, okay, everything dynamically. We will start working on the showing dynamic information for our product detail page. Okay, so make sure to resolve all other issues like we have resolved here. Vendor, okay, vendor can able to see his detail from here and will come to know added by vendor, and you can remove it if you want to remove this column. Very simple. Okay, so and these details, once the vendor can able to add the product, we are going to show somewhere product added by vendor as well. Okay, that thing also we are going to do in these 5-6 videos. We will also show the vendor details in the product detail page. Though the vendor shop, we are going to work on the vendor shop later on, but we will show the vendor details same like Amazon. We are going to see the Amazon, how the Amazon display the vendor details. In the same way, we are going to display the vendor details that this vendor has added this product. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.